A heart that refuses to believe in love will always turn into coldness, no matter how brightly you burn for it. You can pour ocean into a broken cup, but it will never hold a drop. Just like love given to the wrong person will always be lost. Loving someone who does not trust you. Love is like writing poetry in the wind. Beautiful, but never meant to stay. Just as a grass does not grow in the heart of a desert, despite a thousand efforts. No matter how deeply you love, a stone heart, it never lasts.